This is a review video of the Mac Mini with the M2 chip. I purchased this item because I wanted a powerful desktop with the versatility to handle everything from work projects to entertainment, all in a compact design. I like to use this for video editing, presentations, and a bit of gaming. Some of the standout features include the M2 chip with an 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU, which makes multitasking smooth and efficient. It also has a wide range of connectivity options like Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, HDMI, Wi-Fi 6E, and even Gigabit Ethernet, giving me the flexibility to connect all my devices with ease. So my final thoughts, the Mac Mini M2 is perfect if you're looking for speed, reliability, and versatility in a sleek desktop setup. It's a powerhouse that's easy to set up and just works right out of the box.